It is not the monuments or buildings which we are erected, but the hearts and minds of people who, like Mary, listen to the voice of God, who acknowledge dependence on God, but who, like her, trustingly give their yes to God.
I want to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you for being part of this extraordinary event. Continuing the journey of faith that these Marian Days have been for us here in the Diocese of Orange and beyond. Your presence and participation have truly made this gathering a testament of our shared faith and devotion to our Blessed Mother, Our Lady of La Vang.